Okay, let's start. Today we're gonna create a form view class using form view in Django. So to start, we write some code that already have here. I have this library and import that form view class, form view class from Django, and from forms I already created here. Here's the form, contact form, and then I import that contact form. This form is just like a model that we can create that from the forms.py here. So to start, we're gonna inherit that form view. We call our class is form class view, and we inherit the form view. With this form view, we will need the template name, and here is the directory to our template. We'll create it later. So, and the form class here, we need to define form class. Here's the contact form. Here is the contact form we already imported. Successful URL. We need to direct the user to the direct to the form. Just called successful contact form success. This is the URL. Okay. Any of these options can use a callable again those values, such as the use of the reverse function to specify success URL. An example of this can be done is let's see the actual exercise here. We can import from the Django. For example, if you want to create the reverse of the URL, you can import from Django.views dot urls import reverse, and in that reverse we can say that def get successful URL for success URL, let's say, and we're gonna need self the quarks, and we'll return the reverse, and this reverse we have the pattern name here. Okay, specify the pattern and the arguments for that. We will pass some value here, for example like that. Okay, any value we can pass through this argument. Okay, this is an example of that. We can do the reverse. Okay, let's take it into action. We comment this out, and then you can configure the form class URL to see in real world scenario. Okay, then we need to create a URL so pi for this. Okay, here the URLs pi, and we will need import the URLs and import path. We're gonna need views generic, and I'm gonna import the template view. Okay, and from the view import that form class view we just created here. We just created the form class view here. We import it to here. Okay, and the URL patterns, we're going to create a URL pattern. No, I don't need that much patterns. And we are not that path. Okay, we have reduction, and we use this symbol. We say that chapter 5, for example, form class, and slash dollar sign, and then form, let's say that form class view, this view. Okay, and then we can add some more patterns to this let's say SView here, we can specify the path, template name equals to example chapter 5, content success .html. Here's a reference to that template. Okay, and the quirks. Let's add the quirks for it. Here we can add the quirks here. Keyword argument here. It's arrow right. For example, here is a simple form class view. Success page, and here's the page ID. Page ID here we can form class success. Okay, and here's the page class. We are this static just to demonstrate that simple form view class. Okay, and also we can it's one tag. Let me say that this is form class view success page using the form. Okay. That is the synchronous. Okay, let's continue with the HTTP request methods. With the form view class in Django, we can understand the process we have here is the HTTP request here. We have the get and post method. The get is just getting the data, and when the data is get it, they will post to be executed. Then so the get method is just like any other get method for view class. It's a go-to method when page first gets loaded. Okay, let's do the get method here. So here's the views. In the views, we're gonna say that define a function that's called get, and this function will reflect self request arguments and the argument as well. And then return template response. Template response to the response. Template response. This template response. ID here is for class. Here's the base class. Yes. We say that form class space, and then h1 time. This is view is and then the full shell dot form class. This means that we are running returning an HTTP request here. returning HTTP response here. So this is the class template response class using the self template name as the term. Here is the self template name. Self template name. We are using a template self template name as a path to the template location. We are providing the template, this template self.template here. The context unique to this place says we have the keepers on here, title, page ID, page class, page contact, and form variables here. Self form class is used to pass the form object into the template. Initial values can be defined on top. The form fields when the page first gets loaded, which is when the form is initialized. So, okay. We're gonna get, we're gonna need some kind of initial. This form class here can add so in this get method, adding the initial variable as a list with the full name and email, for example, then pass that list into the self form class initial here object, which lets us to set that initial value and fields, defining field name as a key source. This will be the corresponding value. And then we can make the post method.